Epson VS260 Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. It delivers a good image quality. The projector has good brightness. Reasonable price. Easy to set up. It is good for presentations. The picture quality is great even projecting on a well. Cons. It does not have an auxiliary port to export audio. The fan noise is loud. The sound is not very good from the built-in speaker. It is not good for a home theater system. Some users are frustrated because it lacks many features like USB-C, USB-A, SD card, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, etc. Key features. Epson popular brand. VS260 model number. 3 LCD display technology. 3300 lumens brightness. (15,000:1 contrast ratio. HDMI, USB connection ports. 2W built-in speaker. 5.3 pounds item weight. (14.9 x 13 x 6 inches item dimensions. 1 year limited warranty. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe.